Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a quick video to show you how to do body modifications on your Hot Toys the Batman. So this method is gonna be very easy to follow because you don't have to unzip the suit from the back, because that is very difficult. You need a zipper to unzip from the back. So this method will show you how to do it without unzipping. So basically you will see there are two threads on each side that you have to cut down. Then after you cut them down, you can just slide down the pants. So after you slide down the pants, you have to cut down the thread that attaches the upper part to the lower part, right? So this you need to cut it down. Just cut down the thread, don't cut the fabric itself. So after you cut this down, the upper part will be separate. So after cutting down this part, you have to push it up as high as you can, because you know this suit is very tight, so it's not gonna be easy, but you have to push it as high as you can to reveal the muscle padding and fat suit underneath. So then I tried to cut this fat suit down, but actually you don't need to cut it down. You just have to pull out this padding from underneath. This padding is glued on, so you just have to pull it. Okay, and then what I did was I just cut down to his crouch area. So I left the crouch area inside. The rest of the padding you just take out. So this will improve the body proportions, and it will give the body V taper shape, and it will reduce this belly size as well. So it will improve the proportions. And the next what you have to do is you just take cotton and push like a small piece to his lats areas, the side of the body from both sides. So this will also improve the V taper shape of the body, and it will give like a leaner, more superhero physique to this figure. So the last step is also take a small piece of cotton and push it inside the shoulder areas, the trap areas. This will also improve the musculature of the body and give it more, more bulkier look. And you don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but yeah, I highly recommend this. And you just have to push it inside, so it is not visible from outside. Push it as inside as you can. Now you just have to restitch the part that we cut down earlier. So just take a needle and a thread, and this will be very easy. You just have to restitch it. It doesn't have to be clean, or if you want to skip this step also can, but if you stitch this part, it'll be very easy for you to slide up the pants later. So it's really up to you how you want to proceed, but I highly recommend this step. And this step is also fairly easy. It's not that complicated because you don't have to stitch it cleanly. Yeah, so this is the final result. Now the hard part is done. All you have to do now is slide up the pants and reassemble the figure. So yeah, this is how it looks all done. I'm really happy with the results. This is really simple mode if you just want to improve the body proportions of this figure, and you don't really want to unzip the body from the back, because that is a very hard process. So yeah, if you just want a simple method, this is I think your best option. And please share your thoughts down below, and please subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much for watching.